The internet, the industry, it's booming. There's so many TV shows that are coming out almost every other day, every other month, that it is so hard, honestly very hard to pick and choose. आप चालू कर रहे हो और आप सिर्फ स्क्रॉल ही कर रहे हो, क्या देखो आज, क्या देखो आज, क्या देखो, देखो 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 करते हुए इतना टाइम निकल गया आपका कि घंटा भर आप सिर्फ स्क्रॉल ही कर रहे हो, एंड स्टिल यू नॉट कम टू अ फाइनल डिसाइसिव शो दैट you want to watch. And so here I am recommending a few shows that I am currently watching and loving and living it. And no, it is not The Office or Friends or Big Bang Theory or Brooklyn Nine-Nine. ये shows नहीं हैं. We all know they are well beloved TV shows and everybody have watched it and everybody have loved it. And if you have not, how dare you? How dare you? You need to go watch these. These are classic shows that always run in the background somewhere मेरे घर पे. But also I wanted to talk about a few other shows that I've watched and I've been obsessed with over the last year. And yeah, let's talk about them. Number one, Derry Girls. I don't see a lot of people talking about this show. So this show is, by the way, set in 1990s in the city of Derry, Northern Ireland में. Sitcom है. It follows these 5-6 students, teenagers navigating their teenagehood, adolescencehood, and it is just hilarious. Sharp, witty comedy, character building इतना ब्यूटिफुल है, एंड जस्ट नॉस्टैल्जिक रेफरेंसेस उसमें जो बताए हैं. 90s was a whole different era for them, and I love, somewhere I love historic fictional shows to watch and to learn so much about them. It was hilarious to just look at their teenage life, and एक के बाद एक कुछ ना कुछ उनकी लाइफ में हो ही रहा है, and I'm like बस जेठालाल की तरह लिटरली. आई एम लाइक बस कितना, मतलब इतना सब कुछ उनके. इट्स जस्ट फनी कि भाई वो कैसे एक प्रॉब्लम से निकले नहीं कि दूसरे प्रॉब्लम में फंस जा रहे हैं, एंड इट मेक्स यू लाफ, इट मेक्स यू क्राई एट टाइम्स. एंड आई हाईली रेकमेंड वॉचिंग डेरी गर्ल्स. आई डोंट सी पीपल रेकमेंडिंग, मेरे को नहीं समझ रहा है क्यों, बट इट इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल सॉलिड शो. वॉच इट. नेक्स्ट अप, ये शो का नाम है एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी. शो इज़ अबाउट दिस वुमन. आइडियली उसको 18th बर्थडे पे पावर्स मिल जाने चाहिए थे, पर उसको पावर्स मिल ही नहीं रहे, पावर्स आ ही नहीं रहे. द एंटायर वर्ल्ड हैज़ सम फॉर्म ऑफ पावर विद देम. कोई माइंड रीडर होता है, कोई जस्ट बिजार, कोई कैट बन जा रहा है, कोई हाथ लगाता है, कोई टाइम रिवाइंड कर सकता है 30 सेकेंड्स, कोई आत्माओं को बुला सकता है अपने बॉडी में. तो एवरीबडी हैज़ सम फॉर्म ऑफ पावर, बट अपना ये फीमेल प्रोटैगनिस्ट, मेन फीमेल कैरेक्टर का पावर आ ही नहीं रहा है. And so they live together, 3 friends live together in a house. They're trying to find what is wrong with her, and फिर उसके family आता है in picture, and they're trying to figure out. It is such an incredible, again, comedy, heartwarming comedy drama series. Highly recommend. Season 3 next year. Season 2 I think ये साल आया, and I have been obsessed. It is so good for the people who love magic. I think you'll love this. It's absolutely light-hearted. You'll love it. You'll enjoy it. Check it out. Highly recommend. Extraordinary. I think it's on Hotstar right now. I think so, yes. Next up, Yellowstone. Oh my god, मैं कहाँ से चालू करूँ? I accidentally, randomly came across it because of this creator I follow, and she recommended it. And I was like, okay, you know what? Let me give it a shot. So Yellowstone is basically, it's based out wilderness of Montana. Yellowstone is a modern day western drama series that follows the Dutton family. I love the Dutton family. So they are the owners of largest land ranch in the United States of America, and you know, they navigate the conflicts. उनके neighbors है American Indians, Native Indians, sorry, and there's a lot of drama that is happening amongst them, and Beth is my favorite character of it all. Like, just heartbreaking. I love them so much. breathtaking सीनरी बताई है, कॉम्प्लेक्स कैरेक्टर्स हैं, उनके बैक स्टोरीज है, एंड 3 बच्चे होते हैं द मेन डटन के 3 बच्चे होते हैं एंड द फैमिली ड्रामा, द सागा कंटिन्यूज. आई एम obsessed and I'm sort of crying because I think 5 सीजन हो चुके हैं and I'm like waiting for the 6th season to come in and so that they can wrap up everything. I want them to end, but I want a proper good finish ending. I am obsessed. Highly recommend Yellowstone. Binge worthy hai. Absolutely so good, so good. Next up, Succession. I mean, see, look, I don't know if you know this show or not, but I'm obsessed. Obsessed. Sharp writing, complex characters, intense family. I'm here for the family drama. Like family drama, the family dynamic between it all. So Succession is a binge-worthy saga of power, betrayal, money, ambition, dysfunctional family. You know, everybody's trying to control their father's empire. तो ये dad होता है, he has three kids and all of them are trying to take over. The dad is really very very old now and it is about the company is sort of about to transition to the next person and they don't know who amongst the 3 kids should have the bhagdor of the company. And the company is huge, like they are multi-billionaire huge, like LVMH huge, and I'm just here for it. The fashion, the quiet luxury is just, I loved watching and knowing how the top people work and how they operate and their clothes and the everything. I'm here for it. I'm here. Number 5, Good Girls. Oh my god, मैं कहाँ से चालू करूँ? Okay, so I have my list right here, by the way. So Good Girl is a comedy crime drama series following these 3 mothers who are facing extreme financial crisis in their life right now. So they decide one random day to rob a local grocery store. They somehow become entangled. कहीं तो भी वो लोग फंस जाते हैं. वो ये चोरी करने के बाद वो लोग क्रिमिनल अंडरवर्ल्ड के साथ फंस जाते हैं by doing this robbery in a grocery store. Now they have to like navigate so much danger that follows ye post the robbery. It is unreal while balancing the kids, the home, the family, the friends. It was fun, it was humorful, lot of suspense, female empowerment, like absolutely binge worthy. If there's one show that you can watch, the Hot Mafia guy. Oh my god, sign me up. It was so good. It was so good. Check out Good Girls, okay? Next up, Fleabag. I mean, I don't think I even have to explain this show because it was that good. Dark comedy hai. I think everybody somewhere in their 30s might relate thoda bahut to what she was going through. The real Fleabag. Absolutely witty, third wall break किया है, flawed protagonist, absolutely सब गलत हो रहा है, you know, as she navigates love, loss, you know, and she's also trying to discover what is happening, if she needs therapy, and just so much so much happening. I think you'll love Fleabag. If you love, you know, comedy, this is epitome, one of the best shows ever existed in the world. अगर एक शो मेरे को अगर कोई पूछे ना कि यार अदिति what is your favorite show of the year or that you've ever watched, it will always be Fleabag. It is that good. Like season 1 is good, but then season 2 takes another level and it is unreal. Next up, The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. Again, I think when I saw this TV show, I was mostly into the setting of the show. Like it was set in 1950s, housewife turned stand-up comedian. वो era में वो भी she was deciding and navigating the gender norm वहाँ पे सोसाइटी में जो सेट था, and she decided to fight that to pursue the dream. And the set, the style, I was just sold. Like there was so many boxes ticked for me. कि it was unreal, it was funny, and she was beautiful, and like the clothing, the sharp witty drama between the parents, between the family, उसके दो बच्चे, उसका husband, just everything was beautiful. Highly recommend checking that show out. Next up, Schitt's Creek. This is absolutely funny AF. Eccentric Rose family go broke. Literally कोई उनके पैसे चुरा लेता है. So now overnight they suddenly find themselves going from living in a mansion to living in a motel in a small city called Schitt's Creek. So the father Rose gifted son Rose, Rose उनका last name है. Father gifted his son as a birthday joke a city called Schitt's Creek. It's just funny. The entire family moves from mansion to a motel overnight, and the things that happen, and just is funny AF. Like, just watch it, it's great. I don't think I want to sell this to you. If there's one show you can go blind on, Schitt's Creek. Beautiful. Next up, oh my god, Gilmore Girls. I have watched this show and I have been obsessed and I love it. Like, okay, so the show is based in this fictional town called Stars Hollow, sorry, Connecticut में. So it's a drama series again following mother daughter and their relationship with the town and the people and how they evolve. And Lorelai Gilmore कुछ 16-17 की होती है when she gets pregnant. She has a baby. She names the baby also Lorelai Gilmore. And people call her Rory बुलाते हैं उसको. And it's just themes of family, friendship, romance, small town romance. Charming is what I'll say. I was obsessed with it. Funnily, it has like 6 or 7 seasons, I guess. You know, you'll end up laughing, crying, and craving for more. It was that good. Okay, last but not the least, mera current obsession. I keep going back to the show, The Great British Bake Off. Amazon Prime पे आया है ये show, and that means everybody can watch it. Netflix still has somewhere gotten complicated with the screen sharing, but Great British Bake Off. Oof. Amateur bakers, they come in, they bake, they prove to the crowd that they are the best, and I don't know what else. It's just charming, sweet, cute. I love the pastel colors. I love the mouth-watering dishes, bakes that they make, and yeah, binge worthy, absolute binge worthy, and highly recommend you check it out. Let me know what show I should binge watch next. I understand ki the shows that I've watched when I was 17, 18, Vampire Diaries, the original, like there was Teen Wolf. There's so many incredible shows back then which I cannot right now. I just can't see myself watching it. The love that I have for those shows, I don't have it anymore. I feel like अगर मैं आज के तारीख में अगर वो shows देखूँ, I will be bored out of my mind. Like I literally know the plot and everything, and I don't want to go back and watch it. I can't do that for myself. So let me know your favorite TV shows that I need to binge watch, like right now or like yesterday, in the comments. Yeah. Until next time, I will see you later. Bye.